delivering his first address to the nation after entering his third term as the leader of the government in the country, outlining his hopes and aspirations for the people he leads. Greeting the crowds, greeting the nation, as we all come together to celebrate our 78th Independence Day. So though the function here at Red Fort concludes, the day has just begun. Celebration and cheer are in the air. It's a memorable and a proud moment for the National Cadet Corps and the NSS, and here the VIP enclosures. In fact, today is a celebratory day for every Indian living across and inhabiting the many dimensions of our multicultural and multilingual nation. As he makes his way, Indian keeps us together. National Day celebrations like today ensure the participation of young people. And this is a surefire way of empowering them and embedding in them love and respect for their country. Freedom today is a birthright for all born and brought up in a free India. Today, as these...
Under the sky of our nation's celebration, Prime Minister Modi transcends the ordinary, making each interaction a profound experience. The faces of invitees,
वो पहुंचे इस युवा शक्ति के बीच, उन्हें देश के सर्वोच्च नेतृत्व की मौजूदगी का, उसकी नज़दीकी का एहसास कराएं और देश के सामने जो चुनौतियां हैं, जो प्राथमिकताएं हैं, जिनका उन्होंने अपने संबोधन में उल्लेख किया है, उसे युवा शक्ति अपने अंदर आत्मसात करे। अब आप देखें, नज़दीक से नज़दीक वे जाना चाहते हैं, हर कोने पर, हर एनक्लोजर के बीच में जा कर के अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए देश के उन भविष्य के कर्णधारों का, जिन पर भारत के भविष्य का भार टिका हुआ है।
प्रधानमंत्री को अपने बीच पाकर ये युवा बेहद उत्साहित और जोरदार तरीके से लगातार उनका स्वागत कर रहे हैं। जब प्रधानमंत्री युवाओं का आह्वान करते हैं कि विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए रात दिन प्रयास में जुट जाओ, तो युवाओं को भी भरोसा होता है कि
Prime Minister going into the enclosures, greeting the general public, reaching out in many ways. Hands, hearts, hopes. As we celebrate our Independence Day, we not only foreground
tribal demeanor creates a powerful connection with the people, reflecting his deep commitment to being in touch with those he serves. For those fortunate enough to be in the crowd today, this encounter will be forever etched in their memories. The sight of their leader mingling with them, sharing smiles and exchanging heartfelt greetings is a moment of profound significance. It reaffirms the spirit of democracy, where leaders and citizens come together in a shared celebration of freedom and progress.
बढ़े हुए हाथ, मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे, सभी मानो छू लेना चाहते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी का हाथ। ये सबसे खूबसूरत मौका होता है इस समारोह का।
We know that India has always had a lot to offer the world, and today it is considered the human resource capital of the world. At its finest, on display. And Indian democracy too has an aspiration for this large multicultural and multi-religious nation to stand tall in the Comity of Nations as the largest democracy in the world, to anchor its governance on the principles of a voice for all places and a place for all voices. And today, the Prime Minister listening to many voices, young and old, but particularly the young ones. This actually is true completion of a celebration that is meaningful to each and every individual over here, particularly those who have been a part of the last 5 to 10 minutes. A youthful India, a democratic India, a rising India with rising aspirations. So as the Prime Minister's carcade gets ready to depart from Red Fort, we too say goodbye, holding firm in the belief that India has come into her own, well on the way to success, the road to progress and prosperity.
बेहतर कल की यात्रा किसी एक पल से तो शुरू करनी ही पड़ती है, एक खास पल से जो अगर चला जाए तो फिर क्या पता वापस आए ना आए। थमे रुके या इंतजार से क्या बदलेगा, बदलना है तो चलना होगा। यही वो पल है जिसके आगे सुनहरा कल है।